Hi, I'm Colin Gillespie, and I have the pleasure of taking you through this fabulous course. Unless you've been cut off completely from the world of R, you must have seen this diagram. It nicely encapsulates the smooth transition from data to cleaning to visualization before reporting. There's only one tiny problem. My R workflow is never this smooth. My data science process often feels a bit more like this. There's definitely a pipeline, but it feels a bit more chaotic. Data's messy and changes under our feet all the time. And so it goes through a series of sometimes scrappy paths, often that require a lot of patching before something useful is produced. This course aims to make our data science pipeline a bit more robust. It will still break, but hopefully in a far more controlled and predictable manner. We want to anticipate problems before they happen, and then set up the necessary defenses to cope with the unexpected. Right, let's set the scene